This is video 1 for lesson 6, so we will go ahead and run the program. All right. So as you can see, you've got the login screen. So we'll go ahead and log in. Since this is from lesson 5, I don't think I need to show it. All right, so you can go ahead and you can delete all these. All right, so we'll go and we'll make a new one. So all right, now you can see it here. So we'll go over here and we'll go to shared with me, and as you can see, that it is here. All right, we'll go ahead and sign out. I'm surprised I remember that password. And it's also here. And it shows created by and who it was shared with.